How to place an order on Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video of 1 to Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of successfully placing an order on your Shein app. This is going to be a short and easy video, so let's jump right in. Open up your Shein app and then pick the product that you're trying to purchase. Once you selected the product, choose the quantity and also some of the description such as size if you're trying to purchase clothes, and then tap on add to cart. Once that is done, the product will be added to the cart on the top right, and you can view all of the products that are on the cart. Now tap on checkout on the bottom right and then add in your shipping address if you haven't yet. Because I've already added in mine, it's going to show me the section of adding in the payment method, and as you can see on the top it says shipping address. So first of all, you need to add in your address, and once that is done, there are two types of shipping methods: the standard and the express shipping. The standard does not cost you anything, but the express shipping will deliver you quicker, but it's going to cost you some amount. So choose the type of shipping method, and then lastly you need to add in a payment method. These are the payment methods that are available, so just tap on the payment method that you want to use, and then after that, if you have any coupons or gift cards of Shein, you can also apply them by tapping on apply coupon or gift card, and then tap on place order on the bottom, and your order of Shein will be successfully placed. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.